Frozen pipes aren't just an inconvenience, they're a preventable disaster. When temperatures drop, water inside pipes begins to crystallize, and as ice forms, it expands, increasing pressure inside the pipe until it ruptures. Insufficient insulation, drafts near pipe roots, or even unheated crawl spaces can cause freezing. And once it bursts, damage isn't just plumbing. It affects flooring, drywall, electrical systems, and structural components. Freezing is a physics problem, the damage is a financial one.